wrap my trim inside. First you'll need a tool like this. Okay, so right here you're gonna pry and pull it. Just twist it. And that's it. Now just slowly pull it. Okay. Put your fingers on there and just slowly. Make sure you start from this side, because you see right here, and then you see at the end it has that hook, so you don't want to break that off. Alright guys, so this is the one I purchased. It's like let me see, brushed aluminum, as you can see. Alright guys, this is the outcome with the wrapping the trim. So this is one of them. Okay, this is the outcome of the second wrap in a different car. This is aluminum wrap. It looks white on the camera.